guys, it is Hazel from the Rainbow Women Connect channel, and we are going to be opening these Happy Places Perkins. And so, yeah, this is what they look like. And we got the ones, one tile inside, and pretty sure 3 in each pack. Yeah. 3 Perkins, 1 tile, so, yeah. And I'm going to be, and maybe we could find this limited edition. So I'm going to get the plastic off of these real quick. You have to do a slice here, then you can peel that off. And I'll peel off this one. Okay, if you guys just want to watch the unboxing, slit. So, we'll just slit. Slit. What are you doing? Slit. There we go. Okay, so we got one off. Okay, I'm doing this one. See the beautiful peeling? Okay, now we're just going... You want to unbox one and I'll unbox one? Okay, so what you do is you just... I know, it's pretty obvious. Wait, so let's show them. It's pretty obvious you peel this little tab. They've already seen it. Oh my god. Okay, you want me to do this one? I know. Okay, we're open that one. Okay. Oh, I'm crossing my fingers for a special one. Okay, there's a tile. And here is the special. Wait, it comes with 3? Yep. Here's I feel a tiny one. And you can actually kind of see it. Yeah, it's a straw. And I've seen this one. Okay, here. I'm going to slice it open. Okay, so do I just go through? Okay. Good. Oh, we got a little straw. That is so tiny. How are you going to keep track of these? Are you just going to keep them? Oh, wait. You know something we didn't see in the box? Okay, our lighting just went off. And so you can stick the straw into the little bottle of soda, I guess. Oh, it's a soda. And look at this. Oh, what is this one? It's a soda. Can you get your knife? And hold on, never mind. And I'm pretty sure this is a box of popcorn. Yep, this is like a little box of popcorn. It's a movie theater pack. Okay, so let's open this one. Okay, wait, I'm gonna open this one. Okay, peel it. Okay, ready? Get out of my chair, please. No. No, I want to open it. Peel it slow. Oh, no. That didn't work. So just rip it. Okay, I'm going to sit down and I'm going to unbox this. Okay, tile. So look, the tiles are actually different. Please don't open it. Look, the tiles are actually different. See, I'm going to connect them. See, we actually have like a carpet and a wood. Can you see that? Okay, so let's open this. Okay, I got this one. Okay, we're not going to try to see what's in it. Okay, I feel that right there, so slice there. Okay. I know which one we got. It's a piggy bank. It's a piggy bank. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Where's the coin? This is the money right here. Okay, here, let me open it. Oh, there we go. Okay, you're gonna let me open this pack. Knifey. Don't do that. Well, this one's a piece of money. Right? A piece of money. It's a silver puppy coin. And what you do with it, you stick it in the piggy bank. Oh my gosh. Or you can stick it in the little purse. Oh, we got a purse. Okay, wait. Let's get this. Okay, we didn't get any of the limited editions. No. But we did get some of the... We got number 48. 48. Let me look for 48. Okay, where's 48? Okay, how do you tell if we got a rare one? Popcorn. How do you tell? Popcorn is a rare. So we got rare popcorn. And so we cannot eat this. And 68. You killed our drink. 68. So let's put this up and let's 68. Room. No. 68? Wait, what? Okay, guys. 68 Broom and what? Broom and pan. Oh, 63. 63. Soda bottle and number 32. 32. Straw. Which is a common. Wait. 63. 63 is a